Are you looking for the best laundry detergents? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best laundry detergents on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. Persil has been on sale in the US since mid-2015, but it has long been a best-selling laundry detergent in Europe. Our photospectrometer revealed that across all our tests Persil removed an average of 2% more stains than Tide detergents. While that difference isn't clearly visible to the naked eye, it does make a difference over repeated washings, and that's how Persil eked out a win over a long-standing favorite to become our current pick for best laundry detergent. At most retailers, however, Persil is more expensive than Tide, our value pick. While the gap isn't extreme, over a year's worth of washing with Persil Proc Lean Power Liquid, it can add up. Our in-house survey and review of online opinions also show that many consumers think Persil smells sweet, which may be a turn-off. Still, if stain removal is critical, Persil is indisputably the best laundry detergent for the job. Pros. Best stain removal of tested detergents. Cons. Expensive. Sweet smell may be a turn-off. Number 2. Best value. Sometimes instead of the absolute best laundry detergent, you're more in the market for the best value laundry detergent. Tide has been one of the go-to brands in this space since it launched in 1946. While this more modern formulation lagged slightly behind Persil in our stain-fighting test, it stood toe-to-toe or bested it in all other categories. We tested Tide Original, a product that's for high-efficiency washers. Tide outcleans other detergents by as much as 14%. Because of Tide's ubiquity, its scent has become ingrained in the fabric of American life. Tide is widely known for its cleaning power and provides the best value among laundry detergents available today. Pros. Great cleaning power. Cons. Not great for sensitive skin. Number 3. Best for sensitive skin. Persil Proc Lean Sensitive Skin came out on top in our cleaning tests for detergents for people with sensitive skin. The results did not surprise us, as regular Persil currently holds the number 1 spot in this guide. We prefer the aroma of this version more than the regular Proc Lean. When we popped open the sensitive skin bottle, we mercifully found a very mild scent. We also appreciate the fact that this laundry detergent is formulated to work in cold water. Those who like to cook will enjoy that our testing showed Persil did best against red wine and protein stains. While testing showed that it's a great cleaner, we did have some concerns about some of the ingredients. Most notable was the usage of sodium borate, also known as borax, which can cause skin irritation. There is also some concern about prolonged exposure to propylene glycol, which could cause contact dermatitis. Persil sensitive skin sits on the fence between hypoallergenic laundry detergents and the standard set we've been familiar with for years. In exchange for having more harsh chemicals than most free and clear detergents, you're getting a superior clean. Number 4. Best Perfume-Free. All Free and Clear is a perfume and dye-free laundry detergent that tied for 3rd place in our cleaning contest. While it might be perfume-free, it does have an odor. We noticed that it has a strong medicinal smell, a side effect of having no added scents to mask the natural odors of its ingredients. However, this odor does not transfer onto laundry. The scent might be a detriment if you're trying to eliminate an odor from your laundry, but for consumers with sensitivities to dyes and perfumes, this detergent remains a popular choice. We've tested a few perfume-free detergents that barely cleaned better than no detergent at all. All Free and Clear proved to be leagues better than other perfume-free options. Also, its price per load isn't bad considering this detergent is meant for a more niche market of people with sensitive skin. Number 5. Other laundry detergents we tested. The race for our best value pick was neck and neck between Kirkland and Tide. In the end, Tide won us over, as it can be bought most anywhere, while Kirkland products can only be found in Costco stores and occasionally online. Our tests revealed that the detergent combines a great balance of affordability and performance, with a scent that is fresher and lighter than what you'll get with Tide, although you'll notice that less of its scent will remain on your clothes after a wash than when they're washed with Tide or our main pick. The Kirkland detergent removed 6% fewer stains than Persil and 4% fewer than Tide. We really liked its container design. It comes with a no-mess dispenser. As far as scent goes, we thought it to be average. Number 6. Gain He Original. Gain is best known for its fresh scent. It's also decent at removing stains. Of all the laundry detergents we tested, Gain had the most liked scent and staying power, with its bouquet transferring strongly to our laundry. While we found Gain to be superior to bargain-priced detergents, it lagged behind our winners. It was roughly 10% less effective than Persil. However, for the average urbanite who doesn't get that dirty, Gain will leave you with a more pleasant-smelling laundry experience. Pros: pleasant scent. Cons: weak on stain removal. Number 7. Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent. Purex is well liked for its affordability. Our testing showed that you get what you pay for with this product. It came in second to last in stain removal testing. We found that result surprising, since the same people that make Persil, our top performer, makes Purex. As for its price to performance ratio, we think Purex is on the mark. We'd recommend Purex to anyone on a budget who needs a cheaper detergent with cleaning power. Number 8. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst, made by Church & Dwight, is the only laundry detergent on our list that isn't made by either Henkel, Persil, Purex, Kirkland & All, or Procter & Gamble, Tide & Gain. It tied for third place in the area of stain fighting and stands out for its affordability. While this detergent might seem like a good deal, its weaker stain removal abilities didn't make us feel like it was a good buy once we used it. Because it doesn't remove stains as well as other detergents in this guide, you may wind up having to wash a garment multiple times with it before it's clean. Additionally, this laundry detergent left a sharp, citrusy smell on laundry that many may find unappealing. Pros: affordable. Cons: weaker on stain removal. Sharp citrus smell.